How to create business card in Photoshop. Now first of all, I'll open this, create new, and let's say I will select the size 1920 by 1080. So I'll select enter. So this is, I got the option. Now first of all, I will try to find a shape here. So let's say I have made a shape here. I'll basically delete this. I'll find another shape according to your need. Let's say I want this polygon. So I have created this. So I'll control T and I'll increase its size, and I will basically rotate this so that I could get my desired result here. So yeah, this will work for me. So okay, so now what I'll do is I'll simply change the color of it. I'll go here and let's say I want to drop here maybe yellow color here. I want to drop here yellow color here. So as you can see, the yellow color has been dropped. Now what I'll do is, you can paste any logo here. Let's say I will paste a logo here. I found the logo. Let's say I want to add a logo of this WhatsApp. I'm giving you the example. You have to put your own logo here, and now I'll make it up. So yeah, as you can see that this is WhatsApp. So right here you can write your name, Mr. John. Now I'll change the color of it to black so that it should look more prominent, or I'll create contrast by making it white. So this is Mr. John. I will basically increase the size a little bit. Let's say maybe 180. So this is the name. Now you can write your post here. Let's say senior editor. So I'll decrease its size because we want to make it permanent, but not that much. Senior editor. So you have to adjust these things according to needs. I am telling you the basics, how you can basically do this. So right here, down here, I can write the phone number here. Number. I'll write any number. Let's say 90876543221. So this is the number. So I have wrote this number. You can also write your email here. Let's say we will write our email. I'll write, let's say, Google @123@gmail.com. So you can write your email here and do multiple things here according to your years. You can basically write another thing that you want. You can write your qualification, your degree, and all those things. So this is how to design a business card in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.